My name is Steve Patterson and I am the director here at MANOSUN Hand Protection. Hand protection is the first point of contact in any industrial application, and that can be taken for granted. People say it's just a pair of gloves, you know, that only cost £1 a pair, for example, but it's the most fundamental part of PPE where we can't engineer out a risk or a hazard, and these fingertips do not regrow, you know, if we're unfortunate to have an industrial accident. So having the right hand protection, using the right services, which is what we offer, carrying out or conducting surveys at the end user, all free of charge to the customer, because they're a possible new end user to us, and that helps our business, you know. So helping each other's business, helping my business, so I can grow and we can offer bigger and better services. Sustainability is a hot topic. Our basic range, which we launched in 2023, is our sustainable range. It's an eco product, so it's a price fighter, if you like, in the market. And it is also made from polyester yarns, which contains 36% of recycled plastic material. MANOSUN first heard about ITC at one of our local pledge meetings with the South Tyneside pledge, and it was Colin who I first met at the hub within the Port of Tyne. When he was, we all stand up and introduce yourself in the business, and when he did that, that was, you know, alarm bells for me. Great, excellent. We've got an IT provider here now within the group, and we had a cup of coffee, had a chat, and the rest is history. The challenges that MANOSUN experienced before talking to ITC was communication between our systems. Although we're a small business and we only have 3 systems here, you know, we were using an old hard drive. We had communication issues where one system wasn't talking to another, if you like, and also the track and traceability of each other within the team. You know, as a small business, we need to maximize time management, and without knowing who's doing what and where things are, we're losing time, which is very precious. The onboarding process I thought would be painful. It wasn't. It was very, very simple. It took us, I don't know, maybe 10 days because of some of my lack of understanding and having to, or the need to understand. But whether we had some ITC members come into the office and they worked on the iPads and the phones and such like, making sure that they're communicating correctly. And then we had remotely staff from the ITC office, and they would come on and shadow and take us through the new systems that we were going to inherit. And it was absolutely painless. The most impressive thing with ITC is the service. That service that I've received and that we've received as a business is second to none. You know, everything we've wanted has been fulfilled. There were things that we didn't know we needed, but now that we have them, it's just working so much better. Being a member of the South Tyneside Pledge is a no-brainer for me. It has since the very beginning. When I spoke to Rory and Lindsay at an event which was recommended to attend by another small business who also was a member. My understanding of the pledge, you know, working with each other, supporting each other, and basically providing your strengths and supporting other people's weaknesses is paramount for me in my business. That's how I work. Yes, we sell a product, we supply a product, but it is solving people's problems, which is a good reflection to the ITC and what you guys did for us. You know, you're a service provider as we are, and we're there to work with our other businesses in the town and support and help them. If there is an end user out there that are having issues with their hand protection requirements, to reach out either to us at manosun.co.uk, or you can find us on LinkedIn, which is probably our best platform. But basically, if you have a problem, get in contact with MANOSUN, or contact us through ITC, and we will, or I will, come to site look at those applications. We can conduct a survey, that's what's needed. Sometimes it doesn't need to be a big drawn out process. It can be very, very quick sometimes. But if that's what's needed, we offer that. Again, free of charge to any potential new customer. And we support you to the very end.